Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and enabling two-step verification to protect access. Once done, confirm recovery email and phone so you can regain control if needed. Open Gmail, Drive, and Docs to verify the same account is active and check storage limits. This prevents accidental mixed accounts. Make sure language and time zone are correct because document timestamps and event scheduling depend on them. Then move straight into organizing your drive with folders before creating content. Now create a folder hierarchy and apply color labels to make projects scannable. Once set, use Docs for text, Sheets for data, and Slides for presentations, starting from templates to save setup time. Name files consistently with date and project tag so search works, then move duplicates to archives. Share using role-based permissions, viewer for reading, commenter for feedback, editor for full edits. Also use link expiration and disable download when confidentiality matters. This maintains control while enabling collaboration. Finalize by automating repetitive work. Add drive shortcuts, enable Drive for desktop or backup, and sync so local files mirror cloud changes. Then add workspace add-ons, create Sheets macros, and use Schedule Send in Gmail to time messages. These cut daily friction. Make sure you regularly audit shared files and revoke stale access to maintain security. If something goes wrong, sync failures, or missing shares, first confirm you're in the correct account. Check storage limits and verify folder permissions before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.